In this video, let's take a look at how you can advertise your business on our website. Before logging to our website, you need to make sure that you have activated your account. So once you have activated your account, log in using your username and password. Next, click on Add Business. Pick a business type from the business type list. If you're a self-employed technician, you can select personal. If you're a company with more than one technician, you can select organization. So here I'm going to pick organization, or maybe I'll pick personal for the moment. Next, you can enter your company name in the business name section. So I'm going to call Personal Plumbers. Next, you can add a blurb about your company. You can enter this information in the description section. So I'm going to say the best in town. Next, you can upload your company logo. The website only supports JPEG, PNG, or GIF image files. So make sure you pick the right format before you upload your logo. So simply press upload, and once you're satisfied with the logo, you can press set image. And the other thing to note is that make sure your logo fits these dimensions, which is 150 by 150. So once I'm satisfied, you can press set image. Select a rate from the rate type list. The website currently has 3 types of rates. They are unspecified, hourly, and standard. Unspecified should be set, especially if you don't know how much you would want to charge for services. Standard should be set if you know how much of a fee that you should charge for services. For example, let's say your area of specialization is roof repairs and plumbing, and you want to charge $200 for roof repairs or plumbing. Then the ideal type of rate that you should pick is standard. Hourly should be set if you charge by the hour. So basically I'm gonna pick hourly in this case. Then you can give how much you want to charge hourly. I'm gonna say 50 maybe. Finally, you can enter your business address. If your business is located in more than one location, you can add it here. So I'm going to say 135 Portage Avenue. The postal code. And then you can press the add icon here. So if you have more than one address, you can continue the same thing that I did right now. Just enter the street address and the postal code and press the add icon. Once you have entered all your address, gotta make sure you press done editing address. So once you have done editing addresses, you can press add business. Okay, let's look at how you can add specialization and publish your business so that it shows up in the search list. So that's going to be in the next video.